rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am YellowM. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. And for those that keep coming back, I say thank you. You know I love you. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Christmas stroll crochet. I'll be using these two Christmas stroll. To know where I got this from, please check my previous video. I like them because they're plain and pattern. This is the plain side of the Christmas stroll, and this is the snowflake pattern side. This cushion pad, I got them from B&Q, and I got about 6 of them, and then they're very nice. And then the measurement here is 43 by 43 centimeters, and which is a very good size for me. So to start making the cushion cover, we need to take off this hemline, and it is not compulsory, but I find it easy to take it off to make everything flat so that I can start cutting the cushion covers. So here is a seam ripper that you can use in unreaping that hemline, as I have done mine. The seam ripper is very easy to use. As you can see, I have taken out all the excess thread, and the hemline is looking neat now and flat. So I'm just making sure that there's no excess thread or cutting on the Christmas stroll. And here is my cushion cover, which I've laid properly, and I've just put those pins, colorful pins, to show you how I've done it. So the measurement is 45 by 45 centimeters, and why I've done the pin is just for you to see it well, because I don't know that my lighting wasn't doing really great because the weather was really dark that day. As you know, we're in winter now, and winter cannot really play upon you. So I have done now doing the cutting, which the measurement, again, as I've said before, it is 45 by 45 centimeter, just the allowance so that I can have my zip put in. So I'm laying the small part I've cut into the big Christmas stroll to cut out the second part of it to make it a complete cushion cover, and that's what I'm doing right now here. And then again, when you want to lay it, this is how you can lay it to make your sewing look right, because you put the inner part, the shining part to the shining part, and then stitch together. Then you will have the plain part. And if you want that shining part, then you put the plain parts and the plain part together. Then you have the snowflake part when you make your cushion cover. I'm using the light blue zip for the purpose of this DIY, so you can see how you can lay it before you stitch it on. So this is the final result of me stitching on the zip. It is very pretty and cool. So the inner part of the cushion cover is a sparkling snowflakes part and the plain part. I really do love this. I hope you love it too. Hey lovelies, our Christmas stroll cushion cover is ready, and I really love how it came out, and it's sitting pretty here, both plain and pattern. I really love this. So guys, if this video is helpful to you and if you like this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. So guys, until I see you in my next video, bye bye. I love you.